Okay, this is our 6-seater, 48-volt golf cart with wheels, tires, Bluetooth stereo system, tinted fold-down windshield, basket on the front. Yeah, this thing's nice. Speakers. Oh, here. Your charger's built in. Your controller, you got Motif Trojan Battery, some of the best you can get. They'll last you average of 9 years if you properly take care of them. Every 30 days, put some distilled water in them. But yeah, this also has all your storage back here, and you can also fold this down for a bed, and you can get into your storage right here. Bam. So check these out. I can finance these for 60 months. K&G mower, 623 North Main. Oh, check out these seats.